Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about this amazing office tool from Varhomax. This is a dry erase board, and I use it all the time. So I love having this right on my desk. It's always open and available to jot down notes, to leave reminders for myself throughout the day. When I want a little extra space on my desk, I sometimes rest my keyboard right on it. It's a really nice angle, so it works for that as well. It has a lot of storage, so I can put all of my pens and lip gloss and anything that I need to access easily right in here. So it's space saving, but also really convenient. I think this would be amazing for anybody in school doing homework. Sometimes you just need to get your thoughts onto paper or on a whiteboard, and then you can easily erase it after. It is very easy to keep clean, so that's another really great feature. I like that there's a slot at the top to keep your tablet, so if you need to have notes for maybe a Zoom call or you need to follow along with something, that's really easy to stick right there. It has a nice heavy glass top, really well made. So if you're looking to add a little storage to your office, but also have something really functional that's going to make your life a lot easier, I cannot recommend this whiteboard from Varhomax enough. It's really awesome, and that's my point of view.